Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to cancel transactions on Sendwave in this updated 2025 guide. So let's get started. First, open the Sendwave app on your phone and log into your account. From the home screen, tap the History or Recent Transactions tab to view your latest transfers. Find the transaction you want to cancel and tap on it to open the details page. If the transfer is still pending or processing, you see an option to cancel transfer. Tap cancel and confirm your choice. Sendwave will stop the transaction immediately and return the money to your payment method within a few business days. If your transfer shows delivered or completed, it can be canceled because the funds have already reached the recipient. In that case, you can contact Sendwave support through the app help section to request assistance or report an issue. And that's how to cancel a transaction or Sendwave quickly and safely in 2025.